Our time on this earth is just a blink of an eye. We must make every moment count. Each and every one of us has our own path to follow. So we must stay present and go deeper. Giving attention to those things that make us happy and give us freedom. Margarita and I met on the beach in Tulum, Mexico, and it was love at first sight. We both crave adventure and we love to travel. Experiencing new places awakens our souls to the infinite possibilities of life. It's important to learn and celebrate cultures different than your own, and you realize that we're all connected. We're all one big family. We're all on this spaceship Earth together, flying through the universe at 60,000 miles an hour. We must learn to understand each other and work together. Join us as we discover the beauty and wonder of this magical world. Our mission is to explore things that make us happy. Techniques to raise our consciousness. Practices that promote healthy mind and body. And activities that bring us together as one family. So everyone on this big, beautiful Earth can enjoy the life. What gives your life meaning? What makes you feel truly inspired? Everything in your world is created by your thoughts. So dream big and your dreams will become your reality. Just focus on what you love and enjoy the life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and introduce yourself in the comments below. Tell us your story and your favorite places to travel. Everyone is your teacher and the learning never ends. So enjoy the life.